How to make money with AI. 5 unique ideas. Imagine a world where technology turns into your personal gold mine, and algorithms are the new treasure maps. Welcome, adventurers and innovators, to a space where we unlock the vaults of prosperity with artificial intelligence. Are you intrigued by the boundless realm of AI? Craving to unearth how this modern marvel can fill your pockets? Then you've struck gold with this video. We are about to embark on a quest through the digital expanse, discovering not 1, but 5 incredible ways to mint money using AI. So fasten your seatbelts and ready your pickaxes, because this journey is going to be rich in more ways than one. Before we delve into the treasure trove of ideas, let's unmask the sheer might of artificial intelligence. AI is no less than a magic wand that has the potential to reshape civilizations. Picture this: from diagnosing diseases before they even manifest, to creating art that speaks to the soul, and even predicting global market trends. AI is that prodigy child which can learn anything and excel in everything. But here's the secret sauce that even seasoned technocrats may not share. AI's true power lies in its ability to crunch colossal data and draw insights that the human brain can't even fathom. It's like having a crystal ball that's also a genius mathematician, a master artist, and a worldly wise sage, all rolled into one. This isn't just about making money, it's about being part of the lineage that paves the way for an epoch of unimaginable advancements. So, do you have the zest to wield this power? If yes, then let's reveal the first gem. Idea 1. AI-powered chatbots. Our first idea is to create AI-powered chatbots for businesses. In the current era, customer satisfaction is key to a successful business, and providing prompt and accurate responses to customer queries is crucial. That's where chatbots come into play. Chatbots are AI-driven programs that stimulate human conversations with customers. They can handle an array of customer service inquiries efficiently, thus enhancing the customer experience. We can start by researching the needs of various businesses and creating customized chatbots to address those needs. For instance, a chatbot for a travel agency might focus on providing information about travel destinations and booking procedures. To monetize this, we can offer chatbot services to businesses in exchange for a subscription fee. Moreover, as the chatbot improves and adapts to customer inquiries over time, it becomes an invaluable asset, making it possible for us to license the technology to multiple businesses or even sell it outright. By keeping up with the latest trends and technological developments, we can continue to enhance the capabilities of our chatbots, adding features such as voice recognition and multilingual support. This evolution would not only keep our product at the cutting edge, but also open doors to an even larger market, making this a sustainable and lucrative venture. Idea 2. AI-driven content creation. Next on the list is AI-driven content creation. With the increasing demand for content in various forms, blogs, videos, social media posts, AI can be a game changer. It has the capability to generate high-quality content efficiently. So how can we leverage this to make money? First, we can create an AI-driven tool that helps bloggers, marketers, and businesses generate content. The tool could be equipped with features such as keyword optimization, plagiarism checks, and content structuring. We can then offer this tool as a service with a subscription model. As our tool grows and evolves, it can learn from user feedback and improve, thus retaining existing customers and attracting new ones. Additionally, we can use AI-driven content creation for ourselves. By using AI tools, we can create and manage multiple blogs or social media accounts. With the sheer volume and efficiency that AI brings, we can establish a significant online presence in various niches. Monetizing through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content can generate a steady stream of income. Idea 3. AI-enhanced stock trading. Let's talk about stocks. The stock market, often a roller coaster of ups and downs, can be an intimidating space. However, with AI, we can enhance our decision-making and potentially make profitable investments. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, from market trends to news, and provide insights that are humanly impossible to achieve. To start, we can build an AI-driven analytics tool that provides stock market insights and recommendations. This tool can be sold as a service to individual traders and investment firms. Additionally, hosting webinars and courses on using AI for stock trading can be an additional source of income. Another way to capitalize on AI-enhanced stock trading is to use the technology for our own investments. With an AI system handling the heavy lifting of data analysis, we can make more informed and potentially profitable trading decisions. As our portfolio grows, so does our income, both from investments and from the increasing popularity of our AI tools among other traders. Idea 4. AI-based healthcare solutions. Moving on, let's discuss how AI can revolutionize healthcare and how we can be a part of it. AI can analyze patient data, assist in diagnosis, and even help with personalized treatment plans. This can lead to a much more efficient healthcare system. We can develop AI-based apps or platforms that assist healthcare professionals in diagnosing and treating various ailments. For example, an AI tool helps radiologists in identifying abnormalities in X-rays and scans. We can collaborate with hospitals and clinics to integrate our solutions into their systems. Furthermore, we can explore AI-powered telemedicine. Especially in the aftermath of the global pandemic, telemedicine has seen a meteoric rise. An AI-integrated telemedicine platform can not only connect patients with doctors, but also provide preliminary diagnostics and recommendations, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. Idea 5. AI for language translation services. Lastly, let's talk about language, the bridge that connects cultures. In an increasingly globalized world, the demand for accurate and fast translation services is soaring. AI can process languages and provide translations much more efficiently than traditional methods. We can develop an AI-based language translation service that caters to various sectors such as tourism, international business, and education. Our AI could offer not just literal translations, but also contextual ones, which is often where traditional translation tools fall short. Moreover, we can also provide specialized translation services for specific industries. For example, legal or medical translations require a high level of accuracy and understanding of industry-specific terminologies. Offering specialized services can allow us to cater to a niche market and charge premium rates. And finally, integrating our AI translation service with other platforms through APIs could be an excellent way to expand our reach. Collaboration with content creation platforms, customer service providers, and educational platforms can create a diverse stream of income. And there you have it, 5 unique ideas on how to make money with AI. As we have seen, the possibilities are endless and ever-evolving. It is essential to stay informed and adaptive. With creativity and determination, AI can be a goldmine of opportunities. Let's be the pioneers shaping the future with AI. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, let the algorithms be with you.